Good morning! Today we are going on a boat trip to see the surroundings and the famous Maya Bay. We are going to snorkel to see the sunset, maybe even swim with the plankton. The weather looks amazing and we'll take a lot of pictures and hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. But first, some breakfast. Here we have a cappuccino, a latte, and the omelette and the waffle will come soon. Stop is Monkey Beach. There are no monkeys yet. This is our boat. There are some tourists there. The water is nice here. First monkey. Guys, you should not feed the monkeys. Very beautiful. This is a really nice place. I was not expecting to meet so many monkeys today. Apparently, it's really the monkey beach. It's like it's their beach, it's their home. A good advice would be not to feed the monkeys. The guide even had a joke. He said that it's safe to swim with the sharks, but it's not safe to play with the monkeys. So keep that in mind and respect the animals. After a lot of snorkeling, we are now on Bamboo Island. We will have some lunch and just chill at the beach. It's very beautiful here. And from the company, they made us the lunch to go. It's a fried rice. We have cokes with us. And let's just enjoy this beautiful view. And you can hear the birds singing. The best place to have lunch. Alex's new friend, the tiny crab.
Look how it's moving.
Bye bye. The tour is going great so far. We had a lot of fun snorkeling and then we relaxed for 2 hours here on Bamboo Island where it's very beautiful. Had some lunch. Now we are ready for the second part of the snorkeling and after we will go to Maya Bay.
But it's very tiny bird nest, many sugar, many water in the sea. Sweet. Sweet. If you guys see bamboo inside, right? People they're gonna climbing on the bamboo and connecting the net on the top of the cave. And this cave about 200 meters high. Inside only smaller bird and bat. When they have a like kilogram or 10 kilogram like that, they're gonna send to the Phuket. And Phuket company they make the soup in the box and selling around the world. The people from Asia they eat the bird nest. Some people thinking like if you eat the bird nest,
¿Qué significa?
if you eat the bird nest, you will live healthy at a long haul, something like that.
Bird nest.
I tried before, but it's so sweet. I love it. Sweet? Yeah.
And we are now at Maya Bay. From the pier we have to walk to the beach. Okay, thank you. We're walking through a park. It's very beautiful around. And we will spend here 1 hour and a half. This is Maya Bay. As you can see, it's a very popular place. There are a lot of people right now on the beach. It's 4 p.m. so you know if you come at this hour it will be crowded. Maybe if you come in the morning it would be better, I'm not sure. But at this hour it would be very difficult to take a picture. We will try though. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and I would also appreciate a like and a comment. Thank you. This place is very famous because there was a movie filmed here with Leonardo DiCaprio. It's called The Beach. I haven't seen the movie yet, but I will after this experience, after being here. It's a bit overrated. I don't know, I mean, the beaches here in Thailand are very beautiful. I'm not sure if this is the best of them, but it's worth coming here. And if you book a tour with multiple attractions, then it's definitely worth it. I mean, we had a lot of fun today. Maya Bay is not really the highlight of this trip, but if you come to Koh Phi Phi, you should visit Maya Bay. We are now slowly heading home. We will go to see the sunset and then maybe to swim with the plankton. It was a very beautiful day, but it was a bit tiring. Just so you know, if you book a one-day trip, it could be tiring, but it's worth it.
you ready? It's over there. Everyone together. It's over there. It's the place. We're going to turn up the light down. It's over there.
So the tour ended, we're at home right now, we're getting ready to go out, but I want to tell you about the experience we've had today. It was an amazing tour. You should definitely come here to Phi Phi to do this day trip. We had a full day tour, which was awesome. The value for the money we paid was amazing. We had everything included and we loved the monkey beach, the Pileh Lagoon. We snorkeled and saw a lot of colorful fishes, and then at night we swam with the plankton. I mean, oh my god, there are no words to describe what happened today. But I want to recommend you this company we went with. This is not an advertise or anything, we just found them by walking down the street. They are called Arisa. They do this trip from here, from Phi Phi, and yes, just do it.